Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get a free trial on TradingView. Whether you're just curious about the platform or you want to test drive some of their premium features before making a commitment, by the end of this video, you'll know how to get set up quickly, easily, and without any confusion. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView.com. You can open up your browser, type TradingView into the search bar, or just enter the web address directly. Once the site loads, you'll notice right away that the layout is clean and inviting, which makes things easy for us as new users. Now, here's your first real step. Look for the Get Started for Free button. It's often located right on the homepage, and TradingView makes it pretty prominent. Go ahead and click that, and don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Sometimes websites change their layout a little, so just take a quick look around the top part of the screen or even scroll down. It'll be there. Once you've clicked to get started, you'll be presented with several plan options. TradingView likes to give you choices, which can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but stick with me. You'll see options like Essential, Plus, Premium, and sometimes even special packages like Export or Ultimate. Each of these tiers comes with different features and trial periods. For example, some let you try everything free for a full 30 days, while others might offer a 7-day trial. If you're not sure which one to pick, it's totally fine. You can even read through their feature lists to see what matches your needs, whether you're a casual chart watcher or you want in-depth analytics for serious trading. Think of these plans like picking different seat levels in a stadium. Everyone gets to watch the game, but some come with extra perks. But maybe you're just looking for a basic free version with no strings attached. In that case, just look up at the top right corner for the Sign Up button. Click there and you'll have a couple of ways to set up your TradingView account. You can enter your email the traditional way. Just type in your email address and choose a secure password. Solve the quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, and then hit Create Account. This verification step is important. It's TradingView's way of keeping accounts safe and spam-free, so don't skip it. If you want an even faster route, you can use one of the single sign-on options, like logging in with your Google account or even other socials, depending on what's available. That way, you don't have to remember yet another password and you're in with just a couple of clicks. Personally, I tend to use my Google account since it's just so convenient and secure. Once you've finished creating your account, whether you signed up with your email or went the Google route, you'll be taken straight to the TradingView homepage. And that's it, you're in. You've got access to all the key features of your chosen plan, and you can now start exploring charts, setting up watch lists, or trying out the advanced tools during your free trial. Remember, it's totally normal if it takes a few moments to get comfortable with the interface.